Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Dr. Utshova's Clinic. Today we are going to discuss about diabetes management, that is hypoglycemia. During this lockdown period, many of you people who are suffering from diabetes may be having episodes of hypoglycemia. We will discuss about the important aspects like what are the signs and symptoms of hypoglycemia and how to tackle hypoglycemia. Please watch this video carefully and give your precious comments and feedbacks.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Utshovasu. Today I am going to discuss with you an important aspect of diabetes management, that is hypoglycemia. So basically, what is hypoglycemia? Hypoglycemia is a condition where the blood sugar level falls below 70 mg per deciliter. It is an extremely important condition because if untreated, it can lead to death. So it is expected that each and every diabetes patient should be aware about the signs and symptoms of hypoglycemia so that he or she could save his or her life. So what are the common signs and symptoms of hypoglycemia? First, there should be sweating, there should be excessive hunger, then there may be nervousness, anxiety, lightheadedness, higher heart rate than usual, blurring of vision, then there may be tingling and numbness of lips or tongue, some complaints of headaches, seizures, nightmares, unconsciousness, and ultimately it can lead to coma. So what are the conditions that may lead to hypoglycemia? First and foremost, if there is excessive physical activity without eating enough, it can cause to drastical drop in the blood sugar level and can cause hypoglycemia. And hypoglycemia should be very much the type 1, especially the type 1 diabetic patient should be very much aware about the hypoglycemic episodes, and even type 2 diabetes patient who are on regular insulin should be very much aware about the hypoglycemic episodes, because after insulin, if you don't take enough food or meal in a timely manner, then you might lead to a hypoglycemic episodes. So what to do in a hypoglycemic episodes? Remember, hypoglycemia is a medical emergency. So as soon as you feel any of such symptoms, immediately you take 15 to 20 grams of carbohydrate, whatever available. It might be a half glass cup of juice, it might be some soda, it might be honey, it might be a sugar solution, anything. Then you recheck your blood sugar, then you consult your concerned physician or diabetologist and immediately report the matter to them so that they can take proper action and suggest you a better regime and better lifestyle so that you don't again get this hypoglycemic episode, because we don't want anyone to lose their life due to hypoglycemia. Stay safe, remember the signs and symptoms, and always after a hypoglycemic episode, measure your blood sugar and report that to your doctor, because your doctor will be the best person to treat you regarding hypoglycemia and save you from getting future episodes of hypoglycemia. Good day.
How will you manage your hypoglycemia at home? To treat hypoglycemia, you have to take those foods which contains at least 15 to 20 gram of simple carbohydrate. For example, 3 teaspoons of simple sugars, regular sugar, or 3 teaspoons of glucose, 3 pieces of glucose biscuits, or half cup of fruit juice or any type of soda or soft drinks, or 4 pieces of glucose tablets. These foods are safe and you can treat your hypoglycemia through this. Do not treat your hypoglycemia through any type of chocolates, ice creams, or any Indian sweets or desserts, because these foods contains high amount of fat and can increase your blood sugar level later. Remember one thing, self-monitoring of blood glucose is very much important to manage your hypoglycemia. Always ask experts to get the best advice. Be well, be safe, keep on healthy eating. Thank you.
Hope you all like this video. Then share this video as much as you can. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe our YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you.